Akvelon recently developed the Plotly JavaScript Visual, which combines Plotly JavaScript, React Chart Editor, and Power BI. This visual allows users to present their data using the capabilities of Plotly JavaScript and provides a chart editor that helps users to create and customize over 40 types of charts in Power BI. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to start using our Plotly JavaScript extension along with Power BI to transform your data into powerful visuals. To install the visual, click on the Get More Visuals menu item in the Meatballs menu. Type Plotly in the search bar to find the visual. Select Plotly.js Visual by Akvelon in the search results. Click on the Add button to import the visual. Click OK. Click on the visual icon to create a visual in the report. Finally, resize the visual. To start creating your first chart, assign data by selecting the relevant fields out of the available data in your Power BI workspace. In our example, we will use sales data to visualize sales volumes by country and segment. Click Edit under the Visuals menu to enter the edit mode. The visual will open in Advanced Edit mode. Add trace by clicking the plus trace button. Change the type to bar. For our example, we assigned country and segment columns to the x-axis. We also assigned the sales column to the y-axis. Next, we'll take a look at customizing your chart. You can align the plot area in the Subplots tab if you need more space for the x-axis labels. It is easy to assign colors for bars in the Styles tab. Just click on Styles and select the Traces subtab. If you need to change the colors for specific values, switch to the variable mode of the color property. For our example, we selected the Sales Price column to bind gradient colors to a price value. Select the color you would like for each bar. Set the border width to 1 for better visibility of the rectangle's border. It is always important to save your chart. When your visual is ready, save it and start using it on your Power BI report. Click on the Save/Load tab on the JSON subtab. Click the Save button to save the chart structure and its visual properties. Now your chart is ready to use in Power BI. Click on Back to Report to start using your first chart. The chart supports embedded tooltips, chart view controls, zooming, and several more features provided by Plotly JavaScript. Please visit avocado.software by Akvelon to learn more about using our Plotly JavaScript visual. And please let us know if you have any feedback or questions.